All right, welcome back to Mr. Cliff's workshop. This is kind of a backstage view of me starting a video. I'm going to have a series called Mr. Cliff's Wishlist, the 12 days of Christmas. And what I'm going to do is look for 12 items that I would like, and I think that other small import cars owners would like. And so it should be fun, be interesting. I need to do some research on this stuff anyways, in case planes flying by and someone chucks out a suitcase full of money. I know how to use it wisely. So stay tuned. I'll have these soon. I have to look up some research on how to use website content and such. So if you have any suggestions on that, to point me in the right direction. What I want to do is capture some browsing and just kind of show you some current prices and some what people are saying about these items. So this should be fun, and check back soon.